How long must job positions exist to be considered permanent and count toward EB-5 employment creation? As the first petition EB-5 investors file, Form I-526E, Immigrant Petition by Regional Center Investor, essentially serves as the EB-5 application. United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, evaluates Form I-526E based on certain criteria, one of those being the EB-5 job creation requirement. All successful EB-5 investments must lead to the creation of at least 10 full-time permanent jobs per investor. If the required jobs are not created at the time of filing Form I-526E, investors must demonstrate their future creation within the next 2 years through a strong business plan. Within the context of the EB-5 program, the requirement for created jobs to be permanent does not mean that a position must exist indefinitely. Rather, a permanent job is one that is not temporary or seasonal. Generally speaking, for a job to be counted toward employment creation, it must exist at the time the I-829 petition is filed. It is important to note that sometimes the EB-5 job creation requirement is not satisfied upon filing Form I-829. In such cases, USCIS grants some flexibility. If the investor can demonstrate that the necessary jobs are in the process of being created, their petition will likely see approval. Moreover, the jobs must be expected to exist within a reasonable period after filing Form I-829. As an example, let's consider a business that only has 9 employees at the time of filing. If the investor can demonstrate that at least one more job position will be needed and that recruitment is underway, the position will be considered in the process of being created. In certain circumstances, jobs that can count towards the job creation requirement will exist before the EB-5 applicant invests in the business. This is done with troubled businesses, through which an investor does not necessarily have to create new jobs. Instead, one can preserve existing positions to satisfy program requirements.